Hello, I am 洛。说文解字 is an ancient Chinese dictionary compiled by Shen during the Donghan dynasty. It was the first to analyze the structure of the characters and to give a rationale behind them. 说文 means discussing writing. 解字 means explain characters. So I use these words as the title. In 说文, I'd like to talk about some articles, essays, or stories. In 解字, I will explain the meaning and uses of 字 and 词. This will help you differentiate between similar words. Now let's start this video. Today, I want to talk about an idiom, 削足适履. 削 means cut or chop. 足 means foot. 适 is to fit. And 履 is shoe. 削足适履. The shoes are too small for your feet. Cut off a little part of your feet so you can put the shoes on. This idiom is used to describe the inflexible approach. Regardless of the actual situation, they just insist on adopting and imitating, or do not know how to innovate, so they choose the stupidest way to adopt. This idiom comes from 淮南子说文. It criticizes the 晋献公 of the Chunqiu period. To put his favorite son on the throne, 晋献公 killed the original crown prince and exiled the other two sons. 淮南子说文，骨肉相爱，谗贼见之，而父子相为。夫所以养而害所养，彼犹如削足而适履，杀头而变冠。骨肉相爱。Parents and children should love each other. But because of the conspirators' instigation, 而父子相为, even the father will kill his own son. 譬犹削足而适履，杀头而变冠. It's like cutting part of your foot to fit your shoes, or cutting part of your hand to fit your hat. So the article criticizes 晋献公 for killing another son for the son he loves. His favorite son ended up reigning only a few days before being killed. Not only does he hit himself by doing this, but he also does not get the goal that he wants to achieve. So the article uses 削足适履 to criticize this unreasonable approach. Let's try to understand these idioms in a different way. The fairy tale Cinderella. In Taiwan, we call it 灰姑娘, 仙履奇缘, 仙度瑞拉. The version I have seen is when the prince comes to Cinderella's house with the glass slipper. The stepmother comes out with her two daughters to greet them and try on the shoes. One sister's feet were too big for shoes, and the other sister's feet were too small. Both couldn't put the shoes on. The stepmother decides to cut off the toes of the big feet to make it fit into the shoes. But the trick was see-through because of the bloody foot. This is 削足适履. The stepmother can choose not to cut off her daughter's toes, but she does it anyway, because she thinks that anyone who puts on shoes can become a princess. And since there is no innovative way to achieve a goal, she chose the stupidest way to make her daughter put on the shoes. If it's you, what are you going to do? I hope you will not choose to deal with things in a way that you will regret for the rest of your life. Now, let's review today's vocabulary. 血 count, chop. 足 foot. 是 to feet. 履 shoe. 灰姑娘仙履奇缘仙杜瑞拉 Cinderella. Okay, it's today's video. I hope you like it and share your idea with me. Thank you for watching and see you next time.